Welcome back to my channel, Vehicle Buzz. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Haval Jolion H7 HEV, a hybrid SUV that's making waves in the market with its sleek design, tech-packed interior, and impressive fuel efficiency. If you're considering a new hybrid SUV, this one might just be worth your attention. So let's take a closer look at everything this car has to offer. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Haval Jolion H7 HEV maintains the brand's signature bold styling, but with a more refined and futuristic approach. The front fascia features a massive grille with a chrome-accented design that seamlessly blends with the sleek LED headlights. These headlights have a sharp, modern look with integrated daytime running lights, giving the car a premium and aggressive stance on the road. The lower bumper is sculpted with sporty lines, and the air intakes are designed not only for aesthetics but also for aerodynamics, improving overall efficiency. Moving to the side profile, the Jolion H7 HEV sits on stylish multi-spoke alloy wheels that complement its muscular wheel arches. Depending on the trim level, you can get 18-inch or 19-inch wheels, adding to its strong road presence. The body lines flow smoothly from front to back, giving it a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Chrome accents around the windows and on the door handles enhance its premium appeal. Roof rails and a panoramic sunroof come as optional features, making it a great choice for those who love outdoor adventures. At the rear, the LED taillights are slim and connected by a stylish light strip, which is a design trend we're seeing in many modern SUVs. The sculpted tailgate features a subtle integrated spoiler, and the rear bumper has sporty elements like a faux diffuser and dual exhaust tips. Though being a hybrid, one of them might just be for aesthetics. The Haval badge sits prominently in the center, giving it a bold identity. Overall, the exterior design of the 2025 Haval Jolion H7 HEV is a blend of elegance and sportiness, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Stepping inside, the interior of the Jolion H7 HEV is where things get really exciting. Haval has stepped up its game in terms of cabin design and technology, making the interior feel like a premium space. The dashboard layout is clean and modern, dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system that controls most of the car's functions, from navigation to climate control. The screen is crisp, responsive, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone connectivity. The digital instrument cluster adds a futuristic touch, displaying important driving information, battery usage stats, and hybrid system details. The steering wheel is wrapped in soft-touch leather with a flat bummer design, featuring multiple controls for audio, cruise control, and voice commands. The overall material quality inside the cabin is impressive, with soft-touch plastics, leather upholstery, and ambient lighting that creates a premium atmosphere. Comfort is a priority in the Jolion H7 HEV with well-cushioned seats that provide excellent support for long drives. The front seats offer heating and ventilation options, and depending on the variant, you might even get power-adjustable seats with memory functions. The rear seats are spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom, making this SUV a great choice for families or those who frequently travel with passengers. Storage space is generous with a large center console, deep door pockets, and a well-sized glove box. The rear seats can be folded down to expand cargo capacity, making it practical for road trips or carrying larger items. The overall cabin design and features make the 2025 Haval Jolion H7 HEV feel more upscale compared to some of its competitors in the segment. Now, let's talk about performance. The Haval Jolion H7 HEV is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a fuel-efficient gasoline engine with an electric motor. The result is a system that delivers a balance of power and efficiency, making it an ideal choice for those who want to reduce their fuel consumption without compromising on performance. The hybrid system produces a combined output of around 190 to 200 horsepower, depending on the exact specifications of the market you're in. This power is sent to the front wheels, or optionally all four wheels, through an electronically controlled transmission that ensures smooth power delivery. The electric motor provides instant torque, which improves acceleration and makes city driving more responsive. One of the biggest advantages of this hybrid setup is fuel efficiency. The Jolion H7 HEV boasts impressive fuel economy figures, making it a great option for those looking to save on gas costs. It also features regenerative braking, which helps recharge the battery while decelerating, further enhancing efficiency. The transition between electric and gasoline power is seamless, ensuring a smooth and refined driving experience. On the road, the Jolion H7 HEV handles well for an SUV of its size. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and road imperfections with ease. Steering is light and responsive, making it easy to maneuver in tight city streets while still feeling stable at higher speeds. The hybrid system also comes with different driving modes, such as Eco, Normal, and Sport, allowing drivers to adjust the vehicle's performance based on their preferences. When it comes to safety, Haval has equipped the Jolion H7 HEV with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. With these safety features, drivers can have peace of mind knowing that they are protected on the road. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Haval Jolion H7 HEV is positioned as a value-for-money hybrid SUV, offering premium features at a competitive price point. While the exact pricing may vary depending on your country and specific trim level, it is expected to start around $30,000 to $35,000 for the base model, with higher-end variants reaching up to $40,000. For the features and technology it offers, this price range makes it a compelling alternative to more expensive hybrid SUVs in the market. In conclusion, the 2025 Haval Jolion H7 HEV is a well-rounded hybrid SUV that offers stylish looks, a tech-loaded interior, efficient performance, and a comfortable ride, all at a reasonable price. Whether you're looking for an eco-friendly daily driver or a family-friendly SUV with modern features, this model is definitely worth considering. That wraps up today's review. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Haval Jolion H7 HEV. Would you consider buying one, or do you have another hybrid SUV in mind? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vehicle Buzz for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.